This is a 3M A2 face mask, but I'll be brutally honest with you, you don't need one, because in the middle of a global pandemic with the so-called deadly virus, if you live in where I live, we're off to sunny, viva, you get the picture. Anyway, we don't need one of these, so let's just show you what I'm going to do with that. So what you actually need is this. Okay, you need a pencil, a large pair of scissors, a small pair of scissors, some gaffer tape, some cable ties, a staple gun and a plastic plate. Now, as you all know, you can make anything out of this. You could make a World War II Abraham's tank out of this lot. So I'm going to pass my camera over to my glamorous assistant, and you can watch me build a we're off to sunny heavy face mask, and you'll see how effective it is against fighting this deadly pandemic. So, we've been told you have to cover your face and your nose. So, nose, right, mouth. Okay, so you get the idea. There's your face mask. So, take your scissors. There you go. So it has, remember, it has to cover your nose and mouth. So there's a good space there for your nose and your mouth. Now you're going to need to add some straps. And you're also going to need to reinforce it so that it can fit around your head. So this is where the cable ties come in. So take your cable ties, position them through the holes that you've just punctured with your small pair of scissors. Remember the small pair of scissors, they're very important. Like so, you see? So let me present the first part of the professional Spanish, we're off to sunny Spain, a Viva Espana face mask. Keep slipping up, don't I? But I don't give a shit anymore. Okay, so now you take your second cable tie and you poke it through the other side and you secure it to here. So what you're starting to see is fully the makings of a very professional pandemic fighting face mask. Right? You think, okay, well, it's got a crack in it. Gaffer tape. So get your gaffer tape, pop it over, and you think, well, how am I going to breathe? Well, again, I'll refer you back to the small scissors. Look. Okay, so now I don't need to continue the rest of the video, but obviously you can attach more cable ties to the holes you've punctured before, another cable tie to the hole you've punctured before. Now, as long as this covers your nose and your mouth, that is the legal requirement, the compulsory wearing of a face mask. Cheers.